Why this feels tilted? This feels a little bit tilted. Oh, there you go. That's much better. Oh, let's get it. Brother, can we finish this? That would be great. Let's go for it. Message. What the fuck? Birthday. Uh, it's China #1. Let's get it. Uh, Before we do anything, let's check on the stonks. Corsair. Stock price. Oh, yeah. That's an ad, of course. Whatever, brother. Yeah. Uh, what the fuck? Premium. Mm. Oh, what does that mean? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay. I mean, let's go. Most active. What the fuck? Uh-huh. Bro, that's a song. Turfu, that's a song. All right. Let's go. Let's get it. Today, no distraction. Let's get this shit together. A couple pages. I'm assuming today, if possible, we do most of it. To the point that it's like worst case scenario, maybe 3. Best case scenario, just the outro. Let's go. So, application. In this chapter, we'll prepare the first application executable to run our kernel. Before anything, see this. So, no, not here. See, dev pune. I forgot the source. Then you do L. Then that's it for now. All right. All right. Application to run our kernel. Memory layout. This in the previous chapter. For the space user page mechanisms, let's consider the where to place the application in address space. Create a new linker. Script your user LD that defines where to place application memory. Wait. User LD. Just space this. $2 is executable. Okay. VD. There's a squirrel here. So, right. Oh, that's it. You just need this. Yeah. it. Oh, let's keep going. Pretty much fine of kernel link, isn't it? Let's take a look. Yeah. Oh, so the kernel doesn't get too large, which is cute, but okay. The application don't overlap the kernel address space. Okay. Easy. Look, oh, sure. New condition. The first argument is not met. Oh. Userland binary. Next, let's create a library for userland programs. Last one. Good. Oh my. Believe in the Lord Jesus Christ. I swear to God. You got me. You got me. Amen, brother. Amen. Amen, brother. Oh, the timing. The timing was good. All right. This, I believe, is the stuff we did last time. Yeah. So just add kernel page table. There you go. Let's get inside machine. User C so funny. What the hell? User C. Okay, so this is a stack. Exit. Okay. Start this optimization is bullshit. Call main and then call exit. Next stuff door. Okay. Here to see. Okay. That looks okay. The execution of the application starts from start. No way. Similar to the kernel boot process. It set up the stack pointer calls application main function. We do not, at least I don't see a main function. The exitive is even here. Okay. Prepare the exit function terminating the application. However, for now, we'll just perform an infinite loop. We also define put char. that the printf function uncommonly refers to. Implement this later. Okay, that's okay. I just have this is a glitch I don't understand. To do is green, but then you add a column, it becomes blue text with a white background. What the hell? What the hell? During the initialization process, we don't clear the .pss section with zeros. This is because current guarantees that it has a field with zeros in the low function function. Okay, I wish you would elaborate a little bit more on this. Lastly, prepare the header file in there for this Elan library. Okay. Oh, I remember this. I just include nothing there. What the hell is a shell C? First application. It's time to create the first application. Unfortunately, we still don't have much to display. Characters. We cannot start with a hello world program. So we'll create a infinite loop. Timeout. Stop. Pause. Timeout. Why? We literally call the put char. The put char is coming from. It's coming from this. We can just open. The definition is here. Is it not? Hold on. Look, printf is here. Look at this. There's a printf. I know what I want. I want some goddamn it ice cream. So let me go get some goddamn it ice cream. Because I'm a good streamer. Let me change to intermission. I'll be right back. See, this is what I'm saying. Why can't this work? We have to remove the. I think it can work. But hold on. Gets. We don't have gets. I think the AI is hallucinating again. Buff. Even though printf works, I don't think I can use like get scan or whatever the fuck. All I wanted is I don't know. Can we do a care now? See. And proc A. There you go. Maybe not yield because I don't think it's gonna work. But we can do a put char user land or whatever. User land, that's it. But hold on, the definition we said we're gonna do it later then. Oh shit. How the hell is this gonna work? Maybe if we do, because hold on, wait. Can you do SP on the user H? Okay, you have this. What about common H or whatever? You have this, okay? How about common C? Put chat again, okay? Then you have printf. Okay. So what's wrong with this? See, SDL, don't do that. What's the error here? Stilang main must return int. Fix available. Brother. Okay. No, wait. Object copy. Oh, but fucking good. Object copy. Which select build oh, he leaves. He fucking leaves. All right, let's go. So you do this. What? Then you do CC on the flags. Oh, that's what you're doing. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. What is this again? Object? Don't know. All right. Build the shell. Hold on. Yeah. User LD. Okay. Map social. User C. Common. Okay. Set flags. Binary bean. Binary and then do burn occur remember all, and I'm assuming you do the bin.o here. Yeah, and you're there. Okay. So you can compile to the link there. Are you a layer here? First object copy. Command converts to executable in ELF format to raw binary. So this one. Okay. Is actual content. A raw binary, it's actually content that will be expanded in memory from the base address. Yeah, I was like, what the hell do we have this for? Okay. The OS can prepare the application in memory simply by copying the contents of raw binary. Common OSs use formats like ELF for memory contents and their map information are separate. But in this book, we use raw binary for simplicity. The second object converts to raw binary execution Imagine trochę, że can the C language. This is not useful to me at all, but that's fine. Financial by the foreigner, then the start and on 5. Okay, just indicate the beginning and sides. I mean, yeah. Effectively. Brexit, there is as follow, yeah. The file, you better fucking not. You better fucking not. You better fucking not. Sent you? Hmm? Who sent you? Who sent you? Hmm? Yeah. Oh, right. You go in the box. Brother doesn't like the box. Oh, I'm supposed to deploy. Oh my god. I need to lock in. Alright. This the mode? No, no. Okay. First column of LVMNM. What that is? File size. Okay. Then I can send. Why don't I have I determined by size special. The A. Okay. In the case that the address of any size type of symbol absolute should not be changed by the linker. There is a better. We're defining as an array to use. Okay, just a type char. Let's be treated as point address. However, since we have it in the file side as an address here, constantly result in the file side. Let's go and trick. Or did I hide this place object format? Lastly, we have added the maybe also to the C line arguments in the kernel compiling. It embeds version compatible kernel image. Disassemble the executable. In this assembly, we see this text. A star. Place at the beginning of the executable file. Start. Place as follows. A bunch of yap, but does it work? Okay, seems to be working. Getting there, PQ, QEMU. Come here. Go to the nothing. Okay. Can you just print once? Nobody invited you here, brother. Look at this shit, man. Wait a second. My God. Computer. What should we do? Death by snoo. Llama, that's funny, huh? What the fuck is this? Right.
Yes. Wait, so it works? You just leave? My problem is I don't know what's happening.
I saw but I'm not sure. Oh. Oh, scientific out. Yeah. When I'm done with streaming, I'm gonna give to the girl. If not, the boy will later. Now the problem is if the girl doesn't. I have to.
And you don't have to give her back. Just like you want.
No.
Give her what? Not her tuna?
Like that.
Okay, give her the top tuna.
Then that from
Yes, but for now it's okay. We going to gradually try the cheese. I ordered, yes, I ordered the one that is very similar to, yes, for her. I ordered a little bit of those too, because, you know, that's what she likes. And it's okay for her to eat that. It's just it shouldn't be. And she, I ordered very similar, but they're like oh,
What's going on with the stock? What's going on?
stones are going up. Yes. You know what that means? That means money and stock exchanges like, and it's like literally not real.
There's a channel called Game Ender.
Like it I don't think so. Gaming Nexus?
Gamer Nexus. They made a 3-hour documentary. Station or something? I don't even know. And then he went up. Mm. Oh my fucking god. Alright. So can we, if I press a bunch and do, oh hell yeah brother, hell yeah bro, hell yeah brother, just there you go, that's all we need. Then kill, use parameter where user, that's fine. All right, I say that's it, it works, but I don't see any information about the user that we just compiled. Do we have any files here? No. No, they are. Oh, look. Shell, no. Shell C, bean, elf. Okay. Looks good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Looks good. So, I am not investigating the binary bullshit. Okay, so we can save this. Where? Okay. Honestly, just stay as it is. The only thing I want to change, you can close this. Open the kernel. No, sorry. User, what was it? Try user H. No, fuck. User C. There you go. No. Okay. Shell C. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see any user land here. Yeah, warning generator. Okay. It's funny though, it didn't do jack shit with us. Okay. So this, what do they propose? They propose an infinite loop. Oh my god. Okay, so just go like this. Okay, so here, can you do git add shell.c, which is this one. There you go, shell.c. You have user.c and user.h. Git the status kernel make. Got it. So git add make as well. Oh no, git status. LD. LD is the linker. We need that too. That is true. Yeah. Kernel. Kernel. Let's do the diff. Yeah, this is just my debug changes, so we don't commit that. All right, so git status, git commit, add add user application. On to the next one. Doing good. User mode. In this chapter, we'll run application we created in the previous chapter. Extracting the executable file. In the executable file, format like here. Yeah, let's load the application. Brother. There you go. There you go. Let's get it. This chapter. In this chapter, we're on the application created in the previous chapter. Executable in executable file formats like ELF, the load address is stored in its file header, program header in ELF. Okay. However, since application is in raw binary, we need to prepare it to fix with a fixed value like this. So this is what user base. This needs to match the address defined in the linker. Easy work. Close this one. Kernel H, I believe. Then we just define where actually. Maybe here. Oh. Next, define the symbols embedded in the raw binary. Oh yeah, because we loaded in the fucking guy. How about here? Nah, skip this. Also update the create process function start application. Panic net implemented. Hey, look at the push chart over here. Map. Switch context. Create process. Oh yeah, Brother, all of this shit. Huh? Wait, oh, maybe VA. Oh, see? I'm learning shit. The rest we don't need. You have a bunch of shit. Then you most likely you go for user entry. And then the map pages, this is just what? A loop. Here. Oh my fucking god, that's what happened? I guess. Okay, map users pages. Okay. Okay, so they just cover is smaller than the page size. Okay. Man, I cannot wait to go back to my goal line. My eyes hurt. Fuck see for real. We modify the create process to make a pointer. Execute the image. The image size is argued. Hey. Okay. It copies the execution page by page. First specify size and maps to the process page table. It sets the jump destination. For the first context is for now we'll keep it adaptive function. Since we're keeping this as empty function, can't it just panic on the other ones as well? I'm thinking now. Maybe that's better than an infinite loop. But whatever, warning. If we map the execution directly without copying, yeah, man. Let's get it. If you map the execution directly without copying process, without sharing and physical parts, it runs in memory. It runs the memory selection. Lastly, modify the color. Okay, let's go there. Hide them. What? Oh, okay, so it's changing. Okay, I see. Then you have idle. Uh, then say new. But what the fuck? That's it? Because I would rather, since you're calling the what's the name? You're calling the process A. I would like to put this in process A. That's it. Why are we doing this? Okay, sure. Then just delete this, I guess. PLCP. Brother, just because you're small doesn't mean you can do whatever the fuck you want. Do you understand that? Hmm? Now he's on your way. Huh? Come here. Hmm? What's up, boy? Calm down. I like this. Hmm? I like this. Okay. Wait. Stay there. There you go. Put on myself. Big ass cat. All right. It's hard to understand hexadecimal. For real? What the fuck are we doing? Brother, I just want to see something on the screen. What are we doing? Transition the user to user mode to run applications on CPU. On a CPU mode, call user mode or CPU mode. It's probably simple to switch to your mode. So there you go. See, that's what I need. Talking way too much. Go to kernel H 11. The regular. Okay. The Unicode is very important. You don't say. Wait, do we have it here? We do have it here. Okay. I have a potential operation. Precise transition mode. If it is and status. Status is 0. Blah blah blah. Set the program counter. One sec. Setting this enable has In this book, we don't use hardware interrupts, but use polling instead. It's not necessary to spy. Bit, however, is better to be clear rather than selling. Try user mode. Now let's try it. That's it. Because shall see loops infinitely, we can't temporarily work opportunity screen. Instead, take a look at your monitor. Motherfucker. It's the CPU controller executing the time appears to work properly, but doesn't feel satisfying. So let's see if we can observe behavior unspecified. Add one line. Brother, what? Again, when I just panic, right? If you panic, you're gonna be able to see everything that you want. Actually, can we do that? Okay. It's comment to the code. So just to panic. No way. Userland, brother. There you go. That's what you need to print. Yada yada yada. Run the damn thing. All right. What? And it's not working. Ah, wait. Life is a. Pay me picture. Undeclared. All right. This is warning. Nobody cares. Use of undeclared identifier user enter. Proc enter. Wait. No, that's it. Game pass my series. How I consulted. Pay to the money. Stock. Okay. These motherfuckers. Oh, I'll feel that. Okay, got it. The AP. Oh my god, the AP works. I speak the truth. I like to see it. Hell yeah. Young money, cash money. Cause. What was it? Oh, not cause. Create. Yeah, see if I can find that. 314. I will. I think you don't use that. Yeah, you don't use that. Yep. Somehow I missed that. So you're sounding me. Hell yeah, brother. I don't see the point of this. Honestly, respectfully, I don't see the point of this. I don't see the fucking thing, man. Wait a second. Why is there a kernel there? Wait, isn't this... No, why you... Oh my fucking god, I think I know what happened. I'm like, what? Run it again. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's for me. What's up? For me?
Yeah.
But I'm not hungry.
Okay.
What's
So
for you?
why did I write food?
Yeah, why? I like it. I like you don't tell anybody, but yeah. You can get more.
What the fuck?
All about it. Not just here, they both. Right through. Let's our boy, of course, not everything that I said.
Doesn't like the
What do you mean he doesn't like this much? No, fuck you. But then I put his face next to match.
Are you saying carpet? He cannot find. I don't know. It doesn't have enough contrast. Like, yes. Actually, kind of. But cheeks remind more.
Please don't back me.
Okay, okay.
Oh no. But knowledge now is, and I don't see it.
Maybe they like.
No, I need to find it.
Yeah, but this you can see because it's not that carpet. Yeah, he said that he cannot like you cannot. Yeah, but he doesn't know. There's some or
I was showing, he was here looking down, so he saw everything.
but you need to understand.
The hell you mean was
Object permanent.
he was looking at it. Even Jesus was looking. It's not like this straight man. Tonight, I don't know. What the fuck? Another type of machine. Motherfucker. He doesn't like.
Like, you know who likes those much kids? Everything. It's great.
Right. I think he So you're saying they changed behavior now? I don't get it. That makes no sense. I don't get cats. Ah. Okay, that makes more sense. Naprawdę? Okay. I guess. Let's go. Uh, what now? Okay, wait a second. Oh, let's do the following. Paul says, brother, this is not reasonable. This is not reasonable. What is this premium? It's ooh. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, this is. It says only dial X. Ah. I'm using NeoVim quiet. Oh my god, I cannot type color scheme. Help me make the floating terminal black. Half black. PG. This is unreadable. In the meantime. Bad bitch. I do. It's Lee. Oh my god, Yahoy. Yes. Puta, Emma. Com reading all the seconds. They're not to the film. There we go. No, será? Sita. Mama, sita. Hey, let's fair. Pa. Why not? Media, China. Honestly, honey, Nina. Uh-oh, who's right, who's wrong? Omar. This looks okay. From my piss. No. There. Diamonds. Give me a chair. Oh, yeah, highlights. Wait. Hey. Or wait a second. Oh wait, yeah, you have to do this one. All right. Oh, Bruce Lee. Check out my son. I got some nutty. With the fucking hell. Oh shit, brother. I'm learning. What? That easy? Hell yeah, brother. Nice, Red Bull. Is my vision getting worse or am I dying? Hey. Yeah, I'm old. Yeah. Damn. Okay, that look good. But look at this shit. Normal float sets the background color or for the content inside the floating window. Okay. Shout out to AI. Okay. Again. Okay. So we have this. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Remove this bullshit. This is the map user, whatever bullshit. This is to change the do while to do while. Yeah, because kind of understand it now. I kind of don't want to use this. Okay, two things. Show me the spicy situation. Spy. What is this? To run applications, we CPU mode, call user mode. Okay. So here. What the fuck was that file? Oh, kernel. Okay. User accessible in user mode. But now it's switched to user mode? I guess. My CPU mode. To user mode. User mode, okay. easily. That's fine. You know what I say? Hold on. Git diff. So kernel is okay. Kernel H is also okay. And that's it. That's how we're gonna commit. Peter. Oh, mama, Sita. Lucifer. Why? Yeah, this is okay. Then we do use mode. Use mode. But before that, let's make sure it runs because I don't know. I think it runs. Yeah, it's not printing the message. What a bitch. Oh, give me a chill. Hopefully this will be used later. Here says error though. In shell. Let's see. Okay. Bruce Lee. Pegar maçã, Gassanuti. Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? There you go. Run it again. Kill. Yeah, there you go. I'm happy now. All right. So yeah, this whatever, right? Okay, good. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, comments on my chin. After applying the color scheme, load this. Or applying it on colors, loader. Man, you trust AI, you die. Let's go. Yeah, let's continue. That's it. All right. In this chapter, system calls. This chapter will influence system calls that allow application current function. Time to hello roll from user line. I fucking hope so. User library. Import consistent call questions for implementation with number 4. But hold on. Do I copy this or not? Confused. I'm assuming yes because I don't have it. User C. Come here. In Cisco. Syscall is a function that set the system call number in the register A3. And the system arguments A0 to A2 register then executes the eCall. Okay. I'm going to put char, which is put a character. What you doing, baby girl? I am Batman. I am vengeance. No? She didn't like the joke. Hey, my hair. Oh, common. Okay. Mm. Yeah, bad bitchin'. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Is it? And then you handle the car no see. Video is taking stills. They're not do a seal. Yeah, anywhere we go off and so Ita. Oh mama sita. Let's see first. Oh. Plus the big dog. Honestly, stop it funny, Nana. I think this is the function that it was crying. Yeah, handle trap. There you go, and put char from the user. So we're using both now. Okay, but I don't like this at all. Wait a second. For my paste. Tem uma não deu. Tá, diamond. E minha chill. On the left. Our back account bass. Got you feeling me? Nigga cash on delivery. Oh, and double G. For me. Oh, how to Bruce Lee. Whoa. Got my side. Got some nothing. All on it, man. And the. But the equal function was called. Give me the term by checking the value of S cos. Can we use a switch? I just said that. Goddamn. Goddamn. Okay, let's just, but depends. Are we gonna have more shit or not? Let's see. No. No. Doesn't look like it. I know, we're in system call, yeah. Brother, we're almost done. Lose. Assentados on my fucking shoes. I'm too tired to understand this. I'm just gonna believe you, brother. Okay, sure, whatever. Let's move on. Hola!
Oh,
Take a fucking cat.
what cat?
What is this?
Cat is here? Oh, my cat is here?
First of all, why are you doing OnlyFans?
I just spilled.
Wait a
I
second.
spilled a glass of cola all over myself, and I'm in the middle of cleaning it up. Why you always catch
Isn't
me?
that?
Wait, are you still?
Isn't that?
Bro, you're not muted, by the way.
I know. Isn't that an OnlyFans startup story? Oh, help me, step bro! I spill all over me. I have to take off my clothes. Literally. Oh, see what I say? This is some bullshit, man. Let's go. Oh. There you go. So funny that it doesn't format the text. That's the point of a formatter then. The phone system call handlers a trap. For the handler receives structure. Actually exception. Does say and a trap handler. Yeah. Yeah, so it just gets that, otherwise it panics. Yeah, my hips. Okay, daughter. The fuck is a user PC? Alright, just define here. Okay. Well, include about 4. Why? And what about this? Taking still. Oh. We go. Good evening. Eita. Mamacita. Hey, let's have fun. Yeah, it's just kind of clear what it does, right? Take all of that just to call the fucking shell, like I said. Shell. Aiming at chill. We don't even need this. Brother! Psh. Exactly. You feeling me? Cash on delivery. And then it's gonna print like this? Bullshit. Bruce Lee. I got some new see? I knew it. Call to undeclared function says call isolated do not support implicit declaration. Which line, brother? User C. So syscall is here. Okay. What is the issue? Sorry, what is the issue? I'm confused. Wait. Damn. Do you remember the implementation of printout in Common C? It calls put char function display. I thought it was the other way around. If we have, we can just use this. Where is the issue? Because it's not here for sure. User 10. Oh my fucking god, I hate this shit. Okay. I was like, what the fuck? So like this? How about now? There you go. Using the cloud, excuse key call. That is true. We didn't declare that fucker. Wait, no. Wait. We did. We declared on the H. No? No, it didn't? For real? Yeah. I did put this. User base. Oh, I missed that. Okay. There you go. There you go. On to the next one. Hello from the shell. Sabine. Chapa. Oh, brother. Receive characters from keyboard. Honestly, I don't want to implement this. I don't want to implement it. These characters from keyboard. Get char system call. Next go is implemented a shell. To do that, I need to be able to receive characters from keyboard. Here, for the word call. There's no nice one. Okay, but the kernel itself, I believe, needs that. Whatever. I would like some structuring on this. That would be great, but whatever. Put it above this because we. Hang on a second. Film. Yeah. There we go. Finish now. Eita. Babacita. I'll go to implement. So, yeah, we saw this. We have this now. Okay, get the char. Get the fucking char. Alright, so this. From my pistol. Now let's just do the entire thing, right? Just do the entire thing. So you have get char in the user, but then you have the char on the. Oh, okay. I think it's calling this like this. Okay, got it. Whatever. Then. User C. Wait, what? What was that file? Hold on. Hold on. Wait a second. BP. No. This motherfucker. ls. What the where did I think I put it in the wait. Ah. VSP kernel C. C, not kernel C. Kernel H. See, I can put it on the kernel H. Is it in the kernel H? Is that where it goes? See, put charges on the. Brother, I'm so confused, right? Hang on a second. Huh? Common H. So you have put char, that's okay. Okay, so this goes back. Okay. Thì ta ta ho ho hơi oh I think thought under my fucking shoes. Would be great if you can learn how to quit. There you go, this is working fine. That's good. Good shit. This is our suit. Okay. Now you do user C. Where is the user C? Where are they return the syscon? And then, yeah, I was just about to say that you have to define it in the user essay. In the user H, sorry. Okay, then you have the kernel. Then you have to define this kernel C. Ooh. There you go. Hot chop. It's kind of fancy with the lines here. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of cool. Now let's switch. Color scheme. Yes, code. Fuck. Fine, whatever. Just continue the way it is. I don't think it has optimizations that I added to Vim, but whatever. Let's keep going. Okay. And then you write a shell. Sarah, just take a stare. Here I fell. Where we go? Oh, so. Oh, mama, sita. Shit, that's a fair. Wait, do the following. In China. Yeah, this is fine. All my. From my best. Thanks. No, there. Damn. Chill. Feeling me. Just you feeling me. Some delivery. All my holy WG. Man. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, let's go. Hello from the show. Of course. It's all my fault. This in my nose. I'm in my nose. Yeah, wait. You have line 74. So line 74 is kinda. Of course. Wait. 209. Oh shit. Not my fucking shoes. Motherfucker, this is a mess. Okay. And then here, okay, so do here. Now yield will have like a bunch of other bullshit. Alright. Fucking hope not. Alright. What I say? Okay. Just do the following. No. We're not playing like that. Go, yeah. Keep the yield there. Go back. DAP. Go like here. Like this. How about that? How about that, motherfuckers? Currency 69. What the fuck? Isn't this literally above him? 300. Oh no. Okay. There you go. Oh yeah. Hello. No way. Cannot delete. No way. It says unknown command, but it still print hello from the show. Wait a second. To be fair, you're not gonna need this hello from the show. Wait. Oh. Can we? Hold on. I can do some stuff with this. Wait a second. If a command use case is not allowed, then it says that. Okay. Why not just do this? You do this. Then you do. Yeah, that's it. Exit. Yeah, you cannot do anything with it. Okay. Here we go. The new song. The new song. Yeah, this is much better for me. How fast do you count this far? What? Process termination, exit. Yeah, that is needed. How from my paste. Intense. Then you have to change this. Copy this fucker. This is what? Wait a second, attribution. Attribute what? Special delivery. Calma que eu WG. Man. But why you need just in case? What do you mean? Nah. I believe in the heart of the cards. Let's go. Oh no, hey, fucking about. Yo. Come with those. You doing a case without a break? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah. Toma on my scene. Toma on my phone. And rather fucking exciting. Damn. Use. There you go. Oh, if you hold the brake, it's gonna show you stuff that you don't care about. Amazing. All right, let's see. So this is trying to exit unreachable. I don't like that we're doing panic for everything. You can just exit, no? And shut down the stupid VM. Panic. JD. VM LSP. Have you got into cybersecurity? No. 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 Where is the Where's the panic definition? Okay. So that means we can do. Did that work or it didn't work? Kernel C. Aren't we able to do this here? Just do this. And then you can call the panic. That's much better. Let's see if this will work. It didn't work. Redefinition of exit? Of course. No, sorry. User C. Wait. Oh, the compiler is right. I'm dumb. Oh. Wait, I saw a warning. Hold on. No return. Should not return. Okay. Turn it to a film. Here we go. And so. Function declare no return should not return. Who's returning? What kernel is this based off? None. A new kernel from scratch. Like, you're so late. You're so late. This open source, yes. This one. I zoomed in for you. Take a look here. We're on episode 14. That's way too late. I'm not explaining myself. Good luck. You have the link here. You have all the tools needed to look it up if you want. I'm gonna move on. We're on episode 14 now. All right. What the hell is this error? You're right. Yeah, it's like we had 3 episodes to close this. So if you really care, I'm pretty sure you'll find a way. Almost done. Almost done. Feel free to ask questions. I can clarify. I guess I'm gonna help you out. Not working. Would you ever make a fork of another distro though? To be fair, this is not my first rodeo. I'm thinking about doing 4 Alpine. But not like to maintain for everybody. Just for myself, I thought about it, but that's too much effort for what? Get out of here. Why Alpine? I like it. I like it very, very much. Small. Doesn't use system D. I like it a lot. I'm rocking what? Arctics. That's just because I can play games. Sometimes I stream games as well. But if not, I will be on Alpine. The package manager is so small. Like, the negatives for Alpine is lit for me is just that, there's no NVIDIA support. I have an NVIDIA card, so I'm fucked. People will say, just use Novua, whatever. It doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work. At least last time I tried, it didn't work. So, yeah. I like Alpine a lot. It's my favorite distro, number 1. My number 1 favorite distro. Since we talk about distro, let me ask you this. I was watching a guy. I don't know what you think about it. Let me wait. It's a guy that I respect. So I want to get your opinion on this. So, but I gotta watch the ads. So, hang on a second. You really went with Aura Linux?
Yes, I went with Aura Linux.
Aura Linux.
Which one do you prefer?
Which one?
Yes.
This one I like it best.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I
like
chose this one because it's easier to read.
No, I like that one because it's hard to read.
Oh, no, it's for
You can do
This-
this one for me. I like it.
this one. Okay.
Yes.
This is the color scheme.
Purple.
It's like dark blue, like ultramarine.
Okay.
And this is some gadgets.
Okay.
Like this. And this is on the company, like on the company. On the company
Okay.
building.
That's okay. Good job. Don't step on my cat.
Oh my god, this is my cat.
See. What do you think, Bentley? Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum. Bum bum bum. I did it. I'm the bear. I'm the bear. I'm the bear. Let's hear what it's.
Really? Do-do-do.
Yes.
Do-do.
Yes. What you gonna do about it? Dun 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 dun. I'm the bear. I'm the bear.
If the rubric was changed to what is the best distro to run in
How Ubuntu and Red Hat slop, buddy. Where you been this entire time? That's my question. Are you new to Linux? Let's hear what he has to say about Alpine Linux. Okay, then I'm gonna answer your question.
a container, then yeah, Alpine would be GOAT tier. But since our rubric is more about what is friendly to the operator, Alpine falls short. It is an incredibly lightweight distro based on Musel instead of glibc with OpenRC.
Did you see how fast it installs? First install, you're not gonna install Arch, bro. I'm gonna get back to you.
Lightweight distro based on Musel instead of
Look how fast it is. Did you see?
operator. Alpine falls
Oh, I
short.
see,
It
I
is
see
an
what you mean.
incredible-
I see what you mean. 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 But this is what this video is about. His argument was the company behind it. Yeah, Canonical, the company behind it, is a bunch of shenanigans, Snapds and whatever the hell. So even I don't recommend Ubuntu. We're gonna get there. Hold on. If I search myself here, you know, self promo. Let's go here. Then we type, I don't know, Linux. Yeah, there you go. I made 1 hour video about this shit. There's no Ubuntu here. There's no Ubuntu here. There's no Ubuntu here. Ubuntu is done. Ubuntu is done. It's like if it was 2006, sure, go for Ubuntu. Nowadays, yes, it's right here. Yes, let me zoom in for you. Yes, I do recommend. Heck, go for Debian, right? Go for Debian if you want Ubuntu-like experience. You're gonna get the stable packages. Yes. I use Mint for what? A month, give or take, in and out. Yes. If I type Linux Mint, I go here. Download. Look at this. You get the edition, whatever. Will this actually download, or what is it gonna happen? Oh, wait. Cinnamon, a bunch of, oh. Okay, but maybe they don't have it here, but I bet if I type, can I type NVIDIA? Then we just Control F, NVIDIA. Encryption, blah, blah, blah. If you just use this option, keep in mind enter password. Note that she with some NVIDIA drivers. I know you hate Snap. how you know? How you know? How you know? How you know? I hate System D. I hate Snap. How? 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 Who told you? Anyway, so yeah, these are the distros I would recommend for beginners. Gaming distro, there are others out there. Advanced distros, these are the distros where you know you just go for it. You're gonna be fine if you know what you're doing. Anyways, let's watch this video now. Everyone does.
Incredibly lightweight distro based on Musel.
But for real. Look how fast it installs. Like for real, not even joking.
Alpine
Look how
falls
fast it
short.
installs.
It is an incredibly
this.
lightweight distro based on Musel instead
Bam.
of glibc with OpenRC instead of Systemd.
Pop! OS is a Ubuntu alternative. I don't know. It used to be, but then we had what's the name? Linus Tech Tips. If you do Linux, where is it? Brother, they just made the video. It is up here. Yeah, they make so many videos. But yeah, it was doing the challenge. Oh, here, yeah, even this one. Yeah, even this one. This one. It's not gonna. It's not over. Blah 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 blah. So he picked the. He picked the Linux Pop! OS, and he had some issues. So I don't know.
And honestly, for my workflow, it is daily drivable for desktop Linux. I do like that you can get a solid system idling under 200 megs of RAM with ease, even with the bloat that comes with X11. But besides that, it's nearly impossible to get stuff like Kdenlive or OBS working correctly without some Flatpak madness, which I don't condone anyway. So yeah, sits comfortably in mid-tier for me, and that's where I'm gonna put Alpine.
I'm gonna say I in general agree with him. I in general agree with him. I need to try this NixOS. They're saying, oh my god, it's so good, it's the GOAT, S tier, oh my god. I wanna try this. The only reason I didn't try is like literally I tweeted I think an hour ago or whatever. But I only don't use NixOS because it doesn't use Lua, it doesn't use Tomo, it doesn't use YAML, so it's its own specific language and it uses Systemd. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. That's it. Most of here I agree with. You consider Artix Linux mid. I am on Artix Linux. Fun, ain't it? We don't have distro, whatever the hell, NeoFetcher. We're not posers over here. We're doing some work. So yeah, I'm using Artix Linux. I would say, in my opinion, Artix Linux is top 2 because you don't get the Systemd. Yeah, package, not packages, depends on what you need, yeah? If you need the packages, you can just enable. Alpine number 1, and that's it. The rest is whatever. But yeah, what do you think? Do you agree, disagree? Let me know. Don't like command line only distros. I'm kind of new to Linux though. It's fine. It is the last frontier, right? Once you get so used to it, at some point you're gonna be like, you know what? I think it's time. Does that mean I know everything? No. I had an issue with sound, for example. I had to troubleshoot for 2 hours. My microphone was selected as an output device for some reason. Yeah, on Windows. That happens, but you have a visual aid, yeah? You can just right click, sound, blah, 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 change, blah, 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 and then it's done. But on Linux, you have to kind of figure it out. So it took like 2 hours to figure out, oh, it selected the wrong device. Once I changed, it worked. I had an issue with Ethernet. I forgot to install one of the packages, Linux extra packages. I was fighting with AI. Yeah. The UseCute browser with those type of distros? No, you can see right here. I am using Zen browser. But I do most of my things on the terminal. For example, I do not have a file manager. If I do this, it's not like, come on, I'm not a, you know, crazy guy or whatever. Oh, let's do the following. Let's open Steam, right? Since I only, apparently I only do everything at the terminal. But yeah, my file manager, I have it in the terminal. And once I connect the pen drive, I just mount it from here and then that's it. It's like, it comes from experience. Yeah, I work with Linux and everything, so this is regular shit. This is regular for me, yeah. Don't worry, if you're not familiar, whatever, it's fine. Use the other distros, work with it for a while, and then, you know, once you get comfortable enough, you're gonna feel the need to go there. Yeah, very minimal. I've tried Rising. This is my Rising already. Oh my god, what are they doing? Look at this. This is Rising. All right. Can I go? I believe. No, not T. Yes. Hold on. I forgot. Wait. W. Yeah. Look at this. This is Rising already. All right. Is this not? Psh. I'm using Sway. Very minimalistic, whatever. Here we are in the Steam. Let's send Steam to number 4. Let's go there. Tmax, no, I don't use Tmax at all. Okay, don't know what they mean. So yeah, I do play games and all that shit, you know. It's not like I live in the terminal or whatever. I looked into these terminal browsers, but it wasn't what I was expecting. It's not like full support. It's more like read-only mode, whatever. JavaScript doesn't work that well. You mentioned Tmax. I don't need Tmax because I can just, yeah, Sway is based on i3, yes. You can just do this, right? Once you can do that, you can just switch between the ones that you want, and then I don't see the need of Tmax. All right, for me this is enough. There you go. I have Steam here. Boom. Car Obscure Dispatch bundle. I literally just bought it a week ago, but whatever. Yeah, see, so, you know, it is what it is. I have Steam, you can see OBS. Yeah. Life is good over here. Life is good. Brother. Magic. Let's go. All right. Let's keep going. Otherwise, we're not gonna finish this shit. So yeah, what distro is this? I showed you already. Pay attention, my guy. Pay attention. Focus. Focus. The enemy will come for you. Here. Here. Do you see? Let me zoom in for you. Which distro is this? Which distro is it? What is the name of the distro? Can you tell me? Which distro is this? All right, let's go. So we're gonna continue here. Will this work? And the shell is Z shell. If I do echo shell, which one do you use? Once you know how to set it up, it just works. I used to rely on my Zisha, but the configuration is not that hard actually. So you just, you just do it. Do you use a MyZisha? Any plugins? I don't use anything. I just have Rosha, a little bit of configuration on top, and that's it. What is this? Okay. Which editor, for example? Which editor do you use? Do you use VS Code? This right here is NeoVim. With NeoVim, NeoVim has the ability to create terminals for you. This is a floating one. I can do this. I can do this. So that's why I don't need Tmux. Hey, but that's just a me thing, right? Some people use it. If it works for them, that's great. You can even do, was it? No, it wasn't this one. Fuck. For Navis Code, I need to set up NeoVim. Okay, that's cool. There is a learning curve, but once you overcome the learning curve, it's actually great. Let me record this. So, the reason why I use NeoVim now is because I was working, I don't know, big corporation, whatever. They gave us a 16 gigabyte RAM laptop. And I had Teams going in a meeting. I was sharing my screen, whatever. I had, browser with Chrome and then VS Code. During the meeting, the computer would shut down. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is it shutting down? Important meeting with the client, whatever. I opened, what is the name? I forgot the fucking name. What's the name? Monitor. What's the name? Terminal monitor. Fuck, what's the name? I forgot the name. Windows. Oh shit, I forgot the name. No. Windows Terminal Open Streak. What the fuck is the name of that thing? Windows CPU monitor. Yeah, we're not gonna find it. Anyways, forgot. I'm old. I'm tired. Whatever. Anyways, the health monitor thingy program, I would open it. I noticed that there was a huge spike on the RAM. From the 16, it was using 16, so there was no room for the OS. That's why it shut down. I talked with my manager, got a 32 gigabyte laptop, and then I saw it was using, in total, with all these apps open, it was using 24 gigabytes of RAM. So I was not supposed to win on that one. So I was like, all right, since, VS Code is the easiest thing I can get rid of, let me migrate to NeoVim. So I went there, started watching YouTube, the Primeagen, shout out to the Primeagen, how to use Vim, whatever, key bindings, move up and down, whatever. And here's the trick that nobody talks about, which helped me a lot. I did the Vim tutor. After the Vim tutor, I used the key bindings I learned to set up NeoVim configuration. It was hard. It was hard, but it forced me, because every time I was, was doing that, I'm like, what the fuck? Why am I doing this? Da, 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 da. I wanted to give up. I was like, fuck, if I want to edit this file, I have to open VS Code. I was like, nah, I'm not going back. So what I did, I went and looked for, some, there, I believe this one. Yeah, NVChat. I went to one of NeoVim distributions. I used NVChat. Back then, it was version 0.2 or whatever. Now I believe they're on 0302, 0205. So I just took their template, used it up, boom, 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 it worked. And I started using that for a while. I believe until, it says 2022, 2023 to what? Last year, right? 2025, beginning of last year, I was like, all right, enough, time to create my own distribution or my own definition. So I created, and now I have everything from scratch. So that's my NeoVim story. I hope it motivates you. And yeah, that's why I left VS Code and Microsoft, and I don't use none of their products at all. We on Linux, we on NeoVim, everything open source here, and that's how it works. Some more details that could help. I use a little bit of everything. I use Kickstart and Vim. If you search, they have a good setup here. Just look it up. Init Lua, they have a bunch of comments on what to do, what not to do, what to use. There were a couple videos that helped me. Let's see if we can bring it up. If not, I'm gonna add to the description. That'll be the easiest. Because if you search NeoVim configuration, there's a bunch of people talking about it. But I'm not gonna lie, most of these people they don't know what they're talking about. They copy paste it from the friend or whatever. It's like, you're not really explaining this, you're not really explaining that. I'm thinking about setting my NeoVim configuration from scratch. Maybe showcase a little bit more. Not say I'm an expert, but at least break down those points that people are kind of missing out. But let's get the name of the people. Shout out to them. So NeoVim, what is it? Oh yeah, configs. There you go. It will be in the description, but yeah. One guy that helped me a lot was Joe Sean. He's a Puerto Rican. If I type NVM. There you go. Yeah, this guy helped me a lot. He broke down everything, what to do, what to use, what not to do, what to avoid. So he had great tutorials here. Just check out his channel. The other one is where's the other one? Let's try this one. Hendrik and Vim. Oh, this guy as well. Yeah, this guy. He also had a good tutorial. So if you use these two, that's more than enough. There's of course more. There's like TJ, Dev, and Vim, right? So many tutorials he created. He freaking read the documentation for 9 hours. Right? Of course, there's the Primeagen. Shout out to the Primeagen. Right? Actually, I believe it's the Vimagen. The Vimagen, where he talks about the Vim, whatever. So there are a bunch of resources out there. Use what works for you. Whatever you do, just stop using Microsoft products. That's my recommendation. Get to this other level. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck there. They suddenly gonna change the policy, and they're there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, now let's finish this fucking thing. How do we proceed here? Oh wait, I think we're not done yet. This guy, hold on. This is on the show. So we just do what? Yeah, we just do this. That's okay. And then that's it. And then you can type exit. Okay. Oh, I don't get this. Function declare no return should not return. What? Wait. Yeah, we haven't implemented yet. Let me wait. I read about this. Hold on. Just select and then go. Let me ask the AI. We're gonna ask the AI. So and then we go to the function user C31. Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, funk. I need to feed my cats. Fuck. Don't leave me alone. Warning. All right, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. We fully back. What the fuck? Grok wasn't able to reply. All right, let's ask another AI. We have an AI to the wazoo. What is happening there? Go. Should I configure lazy Vim? No. Or better, I don't know. I never used it. I say start from scratch. That's my recommendation. You can like look it up how they're doing. I provided like a bunch of resources. I don't know. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, whatever. I'll edit this bit. Add the link in the description, so whenever the video shows up, you just go to the description, click the links, and then boom. So yeah, I would recommend you to start from scratch, because depending on this distributions, you don't know what they're doing. They might have something customized or whatever. It's better for you to know natively, because once you know natively, you can migrate and change things however you want. While distributions, let me give you an example. There was a mapping style that NVChat was using, and then they changed it. Now I had to relearn that. Sometimes you don't have time for that. Oh, they updated the distribution. Now you have to update, even though you just want to edit one file. Now you have to play around with why it's not working, blah, 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 blah. So just avoid all that all together. Start slow. Set up NVChat or sorry, set up VS Code to have NeoVim key bindings. Once you're familiar with that, sometimes you can just stay there, right? Don't change your editor just because someone is saying. Don't do that. In my case, it was the memory, yeah? But for you, maybe you like it. So just change to the Vim mode, Vim binding, and then that's it. You're gonna work faster than you regularly were, and that's enough. You don't have to use an editor just because people are saying. Don't do that. Once you decide, no, I'm familiar with the bindings, whatever. I think I forgot to add on this video, but whatever. Once you're like, oh, I'm familiar with the bindings, I'm good to go, then you're gonna just set it up from scratch. Start editing like just a couple files, small changes within Vim, and then progressively start, making more and more changes. If you get familiar enough, you'll get to a point where you're like, I want to change this. I want to change this behavior. I want to upgrade this. I don't like how this looks. You gotta then be able to customize to NeoVim to however you want, and then drop VS Code. That's my best advice. Option 1, uncomment the fallback loop recommended. This is the most straightforward. Difference shows the compiler knows the function. Wait, what? For real? That's the reason? Mark system call. But it is though. No. This is called a return. The compiler hint. Built-in unreachable. Oh, that's why it was infinite loops. Okay, whatever then. Just running again. There we go. Hey, shout out to AI. We out here. Alright, so this is shell. Yeah, this is fine. Then you type exit. Kernel panic booted. Nice. Okay, that's cool. Here it says switching to idle process. For me, they didn't call this one. Okay, then you kill this. I don't know why we can Isaac. That's kind of what I don't get. It just says booted. Okay, whatever then. I'm going to proceed then. Thought this would work. Whatever. Alright, like we said at the beginning, we're gonna leave the last three. Here there's like a little bit more. Alright. That's enough. Terminate via system call, and there's no other process remaining. Where is idle? Okay. Oh my fucking god. Wait, what? No, that's not the one. Okay, whatever. Okay, that's fine. Let's take a look at the diff. So yeah, put char, exit. Kernel. Launcher. You'll handle the trap, just move the position. It's kind of all over the place, to be honest. Whatever. Process, exit. That's cost 8. Okay. Then this is the main. But for me, that's fine. User C. Yeah, just move this to the bottom. Put jar. Okay. I mean, that's fine. Alright. This is call. Finally. Okay, maybe we can see. Oh, these are kind of big. Fuck. Alright, let's do the outro then. Congratulations, completed the book. Learn implement the simple code from scratch. There's a concept operating system such as where CPU, contextualization pages, and file system. Although it's less than 1,000 lines, must be quite a challenge. This is because you build the core of the core of the core of a kernel. Wait, what? But those are not satisfied yet. One continues on the next step. Add new features. In this book, we implement various features that kernel have, but there's too many features that can be implemented. For example, implementing a feature proper memory allocator that allows for memory, interact handling, not pass away. This guy off full flash file system. Event TXT will be a great start. Okay. Network TCP. It's not hard to implement UDP by IP. TCP is somewhat advanced. Here's the net very similar to the virtual BL. Okay. Read other implementations. Another my project at Starina micro kernel has written in Rust. Still very experimental, be interesting for those who want to learn about microarchitecture and how Rust and development feedback. We will send an email, whatever. Okay, so we've done pretty much everything. Just need to finish this too, and that's it for this book. And then we're gonna work on something else. All right, 2 chapters to go. Whatever it is, what it is. Okay, let's see, stop. Just close this. All right, I think that's it. And remember,